Hey there! In this tutorial what we're going to do is we're going to do a freestanding lace design. The file that I'm stitching out here, it is a little bell, and what you're looking at is the machine all set up ready to go with a piece of water soluble stabilizer hooped. So let's start stitching. So we are done stitching now, and so all I have to do is take this out of the hoop and cut around the bell and then get it wet to get rid of some of the water soluble stabilizer. So let's see how that works. Here it is cut out, but you can see that there's still some water soluble stabilizer visible in the design and in the little opening here, which we are going to need for a hook if we want to hang this on our Christmas tree. So here is our little freestanding lace bell. It looks pretty solid. Well, I'm not super duper crazy about the design. I could see how this works, and it could be turned into a cute little Christmas ornament.